These lines on your chart will make you money day trading in 2024. And the best part is, it's free. Let's jump straight into the strategy and make sure you watch the full video to learn all of its secrets. Moving averages are at the core of many trading strategies, and for a good reason. But the problem many have is knowing exactly which moving averages to use while trading. This often leads to changing strategy rules and indicators after losing trades. Well, what if I told you that I've found an awesome moving average indicator, and not only does it use powerful algorithm to assist your trades, but it also adapts to the moving average length to best suit your current market conditions, meaning that you'll get the best results without worrying if you've got the right moving average on your chart. Before we get this indicator added to your chart, just think, if you traded multiple markets or time frames, then this moving average will use artificial intelligence to calculate the best rules required in that movement, and provide you with the best settings that you need to win trades time and time again. So let's get your chart set up. Open up TradingView. From here, we're going to open the indicator section at the top right. This is a very special AI indicator, so we will need to search for it. But just before we do that, let me quickly tell you about Flux Charts and why they've sponsored today's video. Flux Charts has a massive range of insanely powerful indicators for any type of market. I have actually tested out a few of their indicators on the channel, and I love them very much. And most importantly, have had very good success with them. I want you to join Flux Charts today because I want to see more traders break through the wall. And Flux Charts might just be the key that you need to finally become a profitable trader. And I really want you to succeed, so you've got two options. Option one is to click the link below and try out the Flux Charts 7-day completely risk-free trial for yourself. Yes, completely risk-free. And option two, Flux Charts were kind enough to give a 20% off code at checkout. So use code MO and you'll be making money back already. So don't wait any longer and take the leap. And I will see you in the Discord making money. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so we opened this indicator tab. Now let's search for machine learning. We are going to select the machine learning and optimization moving average indicator, this one right here. Add this to your chart. When we open our chart, you'll notice there isn't anything appearing on the actual chart. So to change this, we'll need to open the indicator settings. Go to the inputs tab and let's change the amount of the historical data from disabled to all data. This will allow us to see the AI data on the chart, and let's change the optimization goal to combined. This will target both performance and win rate for the strategy, and finally turn on the machine learning setting. This allows the indicator's AI to adapt the moving average to different market types. And last but not least, let's switch the moving average types to EMA. As we can see, the moving averages are now updated on the chart. We will be using these two moving average lines to predict trending markets. But we will need a final confirmation for entering trades. So let's add the UT bot alerts indicator to our chart. Keep the settings as default for now. And we can use this to tell us when to enter. So let's set up a trade. When the blue moving average is above the green, it means the AI has predicted a safe uptrend. This is signaled by the EMA cross. Step 2 for this strategy would be to wait for price to pull back to either of the EMA lines. Usually the smaller EMA target is for scalp trades, and the longer EMA is for intraday to swing trades. When price reaches this zone after the EMA cross and pullback, we will then wait for candle close and for the UT bot alerts indicator to paint, giving us our entry signal. Only enter the trade on candle close. This is very important. Now open your position on the candle close, and we want to target a safe swing behind the EMA line or 15 to 25 points on the chart. And finally, we will target a take profit when price makes contact with the small EMA line. This is after the first push in price. So enter the trade, let price push to the intended direction, and then we can look for price to touch the small EMA line. That will be our signal for manually exiting our trade. We can also target a 2 risk to reward or a 2.5 risk to reward if you want to set target while trading, and the exact same applies for sell trades, just reversed. Okay, so I'm now going to test this strategy 100 times on TradingView and determine if it is good enough for day trading in 2024. Please check out the link below if you're interested in my personal day trading strategy, and let's get into the results. And the results for this strategy were pretty amazing with 2 free indicators. Over 100 trades, we had 69 wins and 31 losses, making a gain of 2,022% on the account and a powerful win rate of 69%. I'm very happy to see this, and if you are too, then check out this strategy on TradingView. And if you want to see anything specific, then leave a comment below and I'll check it out. And I do apologise for not uploading over the past couple days, but I've had some family things to deal with, and I've also been very ill, you might be able to tell. But thank you very much for watching. My name is Mo, and I will see you in the next one.